Start by thinly slicing 3 onions and frying them in oil until golden brown. Then, mix the fried onions with yogurt, garlic, ginger, and the meat spices in a blender. Fry the pieces of meat along with the bay leaf in a pan, then add the yogurt mixture to it. Add 3 cups of boiling water and let it simmer over medium heat for 2 to 3 hours. In the last hour of cooking, dice 2 potatoes and add them to the pot. Now, add salt, cloves, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, and cardamom pods to boiling water. Then add the rice and cook until slightly tender. Drain the rice. In a separate pot, pour some oil and layer the rice and meat mixture. Sprinkle some steeped saffron on top and let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. Then transfer to a serving dish and garnish with fried onions. Enjoy your meal.